Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day. The markets are up. You might notice we're looking at a new stock here. We've got a review. We're going to do two reviews before the bell. It might not be done just before the bell. If not, we'll continue. But anyway, we're going to get straight into it. Welcome, everybody, to the Closing Bell Show here this afternoon. Now, we've got a couple of things coming up I'll mention to you so you don't miss some big events. So let's start with it. Michael N. Hello, everyone. Here's our brand new member with his nice, shiny new member green badge. To be turning 1 month in 1 month. There you go. Surprised that, innit? Anyway, let's have a look at what you may have missed. Let's look at what you could have won, as Jim Bone would say on Bullseye. Let's have a look at what you could have won. All right, so anyway, this is what's just gone out a few moments ago, in case you've missed it. We started off by telling you, which one was it first? There was a video this morning with Andy Shovel talking all about Virgin Galactic. An interview with him just come out. There it is. Just come out. If you've missed that, if you've not got a red band underneath, it means you've not watched the video. So go and check that one out. N-phase earnings. Yes, N-phase earnings. We are now in earnings season. It's going to be a very busy couple of weeks here on the show. Probably for the next month, I'll be working probably 12, 14-hour days, just enough to get to sleep. But I'll be working in here a lot for you over the next few weeks. So we have N-phase energy earnings. That is coming up for you on tomorrow. With the 22nd today, right? 22nd, I can't see where it is. Yeah, 22nd, the 23rd tomorrow. So we're going to cover the earnings tomorrow. And that is after hours with me on this show. And we also have at the same time going on the other channel, we have the Tesla earnings. There you go. There's the trailer for it. And Sensei is covering the Tesla earnings on the Extra channel. So if you want to go there, you can find the Tesla earnings. Who's going to get the most people this time? I think Sensei will beat me easily with the Tesla earnings. Who knows? I'd much rather listen to Tesla earnings, if I'm honest. But N-phase is very, very important. We can't do both. So I've given Sensei the main one. I think he'll get a bigger audience. I think it'll be good for him. It'll be fun. Right. That's tomorrow. Now then, after that, we also put out the charts for you on Virgin Galactic this morning, 6 hours ago. TON, a new asset. Maybe my Martyn Lucas coin will be on the TON network. We're looking at it. Micron charts. We put that out. Thank you, Cameron Khan, for your subscription. Then we had the Robinhood chart. Now then, after the interview, we had N-phase earnings. I just spoke to you about that. Google earnings. That was premiered as well. The Google earnings. Google is on the 25th. On the 25th, after hours. And I'm covering that. And Sensei on the Extra channel is covering the Microsoft earnings on the Extra channel. So Microsoft earnings on the 25th on the Extra channel. All right, and then we had a rumor of a potential Maserati deal with Fisker. If you didn't see that, remember, a red line means you've watched it. If you've not, you wouldn't have seen it. We put out this news as well. Cronus, SNDL, Tilray. Big news. They're going to push it through. We say they're going to push it through. We think they're going to push it through, of course, because it's a vote winner. So that's just gone out for you. A lot of information there about why I'm bullish on those stocks. We've got Virgin Galactic. We had a scalp position. Now we put out the interview with Andy. We put out the chart for you. There was the chart for Virgin Galactic to say that we think it's going to 50 cents. You might disagree with me. Andy Shovels doesn't really agree with me on that. Doesn't think it'll go that low. But anyway, there you go. That's Virgin Galactic scalp. And then, of course, we had cancelled from Fisker. They all of a sudden we found out there's no There is no meeting. Some of you, I think it was Raman, says that's good news for Fisker. I can't see how not communicating with its shareholders and cancelling meetings when we thought we had a meeting is going to be very bullish at all. But who knows? Shall we have a quick look at what Fisker's doing just very briefly? Might as well, just for a second. I can't see how it's very bullish for it, but there you go. What do I know? Let's have a look. FSR. Fisker up 14% today. So there you go. The market doesn't agree with me. It's a bullish sentiment, apparently, that we're not having a meeting and we're not doing a reverse split. But, I mean, you know, what are we doing then? The shareholder needs to know. I'm not so convinced that's good news, but the market seems to like it. There you go. It's up 12%. Very good. Very, very pleased. Very, very pleased for those of you that got into that. Right, so that's all the events coming up for the next few days. So a lot going on. This is my portfolio. We're breaking records again today. We're pushing up left, right, and center. The balance now is 78,331. It's gone up today, of course, because I got paid today. It's the 21st of April on Sunday, which means I got paid today on the 22nd. So I've got paid today. I get paid once a month on YouTube. That's how I earn my living. That's my job. Just like you've all got jobs. That's my job. And as you can see, I've put it in the margin, like I said I would, reduce the margin, and now I'm at 78.3, which obviously is an all-time high for me. And that's good, right? We're heading towards that $1 million live on the show. Right, so without further ado, we've got a new stock to do, and we're doing Vuzix. We're doing a review here. We're doing 2 reviews for you this afternoon. So let's get straight into it. We're catching up with as many reviews as we can. Let me read all the comments. Hello, Michael. Seth, try to do your own research as much as possible. Always, 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 always. Good evening, all. Hey, all. Choky, toot, Fisker. Up, choky, tut, Fisker up 15%. Well, I don't know what you mean by that. I mean, it's great, right? I mean, what can I say? Anyway. Good afternoon. Hey up, banana heads. Where did that come from? Raman, I have done my own research, and if you read my question, I'm asking your opinions. I've been here for 6 months. I know how it works. Thanks. There you go. Ha ha. Says Mike. Yes, I'm a banana head. Yeah, why not? I have a feeling Raman will get Martyn upset again today. One of those days, yeah, he might fire me up, but he'll never get me upset. He'll just get me to respond and get involved and engage and get rid of all the nonsense. Yep, I go into the bushes and cut all the trees, cut it all down, prune it all out. Hi, Raman. What's going on? Vaz, why? I'm happy. All my stocks are up. Hello, all. Agreed, Vaz. Raman, you've been holding FSR or trading it. Let's go. Presto. Sold the rest of my Robinhood today. 110% gain. Congratulations, Seth. Great. 110% gain. That's what it's all about. Congratulations to you. Cover Zap. It's exploding. Matthew. SPRY. I have to focus on the members. If you want to be a member, that's how you become a member. And you can be a member of our extra channel as well if you want to. We are live 12 hours a day on the extra channel behind the scenes. We talk to each other. We get information, what's going on as I'm working behind the scenes. And you can be a member of that channel for 99 cents. We have the best deals going. We're here to help people, not about me making money out of you. Here to help people. Holding Fisker to 30 cents. Or 50 cents, Raman. Cool. Good luck to you. Can't wait for the coin to release. I'll become a member day prior. You won't have a chance, because what will happen is it's founder members. People that have been the members the longest on my extra channel will get notified first. Then my members month by month. It'll when the coin comes out, it'll come out in stages. So people that have been members the longest will get the best deal, and I will make sure that I will burn all my coin, so I can never sell it. It'll be capped. It'll be great. So yeah, it's going to be fantastic. And as our show grows 1,000 subscribers a week, it's going to continue to grow and grow and grow. It's bound to keep going up with the scale of the show. Can't wait for the coin to be released. Tristan, you become a member the day before and you won't get the best deal. He thinks he can get in on a pre-order, pre-IPO. Anyway, my Pfizer and Coca-Cola are having a good day. They are 50% of my portfolio. Pre-sale buy. I tell them to promote it over X to squeeze the price. 100X. Everybody calm down, says Kevin B. What's going on? Much love to Martyn Lucas, by the way. Raman, the same to you, mate. May the battle commence. That's what I say. If Fisker goes up, it'll be next month or next year. Raman, Wadey, never sell your Pfizer. Evening, everyone. Okay, review time. Are we ready? Of course we're ready. We're always bloody ready, aren't we? So who's this for? Vuzix. Vincent Vosberg. Let me do this right now. So Vincent Vosberg, and let me take that out of there. It's happening right now. Cut. Put it to the top. And the time is 11 minutes. 11. All right. Great, Jose Quintana. Congratulations to you. You're making money. I'm always happy to hear that. Right. Time for... Change that screen. I'm on the wrong bloody screen. Yeah. On the wrong screen. From Zaxay, tonight is the Passover night. Happy holiday to all that celebrate. Wonderful. We love it. Happy holidays and all love to everybody. Absolutely right. Okay. Shall we do that again? Time for another stock review. This time we are talking Vuzi, V-U-Z-I. We're talking very high tech here now. We're talking some very smart chips on your face. We're reaching out to AI technology and bringing it together without all the drama of the robot and the scariness. We're going to bring you a stock you've probably never heard before. May be interesting. You might like this. Can you make money from this stock? We're talking Vuzix. Vuzix. Yep, ticker symbol V-U-Z-I, Vuzix. We're talking smart glasses over there in England. Oh yes, we got some news for you. We're also going to look at the website. We're going to do a full back test on the website, on the company. We're going to share with you the balance sheet, the profit, the loss, who's buying, who's selling. Who's selling on the inside, solvency score, profitability score, short interest, you name it, we've got it covered on this review. Latest news, the rest of it. Okay. We also have a Meet the CEO series, and you as an investor can invite the CEO onto the show, or if they're listening, they can invite themselves onto the show. We'd love to share the story. I'm not here to pump the stock, dump the stock. I don't own any stocks other than the S&P 500. The reason why I made that decision, so my reviews are always honest, unbiased. I'm not paid by anyone from the company to promote the stock. It makes no difference to me whether it goes up or down. All I care about is the viewers and the members of my channel. I hope that everyone makes money, and many of the stocks that we cover, we rank number 1 for on YouTube and some on Google. We draw attention to great companies. We get people hired. We get not fired, hopefully. We get people hired. We build businesses. Everyone makes money. That's what we're about. I never short stocks. I never do options trading. I just buy businesses. And for me, it's just the S&P. That's what I do. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So have you tapped the like button? Have you done that? It's very, very important to do that. And let me explain why. Because if you tap the like button, this happens. So I know you just tapped the like button. The little fellas and the little ladies love it. They're all loving it. Very, very important that to make everybody happy. How that came into the show, by the way, we did a review the other day for a pet company, Pet Supplies. That's how we ended up with all that. But now it's part of the main show. It's going to be there forever now. Can't get rid of it. People love it. All right. Okay. So now it's time for a Vuzix. Let's start off nice and simple. I'm not going to make any apologies for the basic start to the video. We like to start simple. Investing is simple. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. I've always found it easy to make money, but I always find it difficult to keep it. That's been my problem. Not so much these days. I'm a bit older and wiser, but I used to lose money all the time, spending it, buying stuff. I worked out the other day, I bought about 35 cars in my lifetime, and I currently don't own any. How did that ever happen? Why didn't I just buy the right car the first time and stick with it? Anyway, there you go. Another story. Okay, Vuzix. Now, you can see it's extremely volatile, this one. Up and down like a flipping yo-yo. What is it, though? What is it? Well, Vuzix is a supplier of smart glasses and augmented reality. So straight away, you're thinking Apple, right? Vision Pro. How does this all link with that? Apple glasses and all the rest of it. Augmented reality technologies and products for the consumer and enterprise markets. Its products include personal display and wearable computing devices that offer users a portable viewing experience